Adam's voice.
Hey, they redid the cabs.
Oh, new buttons.
Oh, what the?
Adams.
Modern Adams.
What the hell?
Sensomatic.
Interesting.
That wasn't like that before.
6th floor.
I'm up for this.
Going down.
This elevator has no right to have a voice with that kind of floor indicator.
Yeah.
You're so right.
You know when you're in Home Depot and you go through the security doorway?
Yeah.
It's exactly what it sounds like. Sensomatic.
You think that's a Schindler mod?
It looks like it.
I doubt it.
I don't know.
1st floor.
Wanna get the other car?
Going up?
Going up.
That was late. Yeah, that's weird how they replaced the COPs. Oh, the bellies are weird.
It's almost like the speakers in the shaft.
They like just replaced these too. Look at how shiny that is.
Yeah, it looks really now.
Lowest pitch floor passing chime, anybody?
6th floor. Going
I
down.
was able to feel it.
The bell's right there.
Yeah.
I should have done.
I'm going with Schindler.
Schindler uses Adams a lot.
1st floor.
This is such a bizarre mod, though.
Yeah.
Let's see, where's the bell?